Outstanding design defines the 2007 BMW 328. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a BMW are offered, including front and rear reading lights, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and cruise control. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Come see us today and we'll help you drive away in your dream vehicle.